Another interesting filter that we can use to get great results is Liquify. To use this filter, we go to the Filter menu and then choose Liquify. This will open up a window containing the photo in the middle, with on the left are the tools we're working with, and to the right the settings that we can customize. Let's take a look at them. The first tool is called Forward Warp. This tool is used when we want to make slight changes to the shape of something. The options on the right give us the flexibility to adjust the brush size, its strength, and some other options such as the edges of the brush. Density is similar to hardness in the brush tool. On the right, we have Face Aware Liquify, which is actually in case we have a face in the photo. Photoshop will detect it automatically, and then we can make changes specifically to the face. For example, we can make changes to the size and shape of the eyes, the distance of the eyes from one another, the size and shape of the nose, the lips, and the size and shape of the face, which includes the size of the forehead, chin size, cheekbones, etc. To reset everything we've done so far, hold down Alt and the Reset button appears at the bottom, to the right of the Cancel button. When we click it, it removes everything we've done so far. Or, we can use the second tool to restore what we want. In fact, its primary purpose is to restore everything to its original form. The next tool we're going to look at can rotate the pixels clockwise and counterclockwise. The tool just below that can modify the object of our choice and make it smaller. The next tool in line does the exact opposite. It makes things look bigger. If you want to enlarge something, this is the perfect tool. Keep in mind that it's not good to overdo it because then things begin to look a little bit artificial. The tool below that is intended to push down and to the side the selected pixels. The tool below that is especially useful when we want to save something. Let's say we want to make one eye bigger, but we want to keep the other the same. We'll mark the area we want preserved with this tool. Therefore, whatever we do, whatever is marked in red will stay the same. The tool just below that removes and overrides the preservation protection. The tool that looks like a person can modify a face, similar to the tool we mentioned earlier. To find out which tool does what and what its properties are, it's best to try them out yourself and see what results you'll get.